What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. I have the beast behind me, which means one thing: we have a mod that came in the mail. First and foremost, shout out to Extreme Online Stores. They have sponsored a lot on this CTS-V, and they're sponsoring one of the most important pieces right now, which is also cracked and beat up. That is my carbon fiber front lip. I will leave the link in the description, a picture right here. But that's what we're doing today. We're going to be replacing these. I'm going to show you the tools that you need, how quickly you can do it, and of course go for a test drive just because it's here and it's boost weather. It's very, very nice outside. Tap in, hit the like, subscription, ask any questions you got, and let's go. Now, as far as tools, you're not gonna need much. This isn't all the tools that I'll be using, but you're gonna need scissors. You'll see why in a second. You're gonna need a T15 setup, and I have the screwdriver, a 7mm socket wrench. You can use an electric one if you want, to be able to take off this front lip. And before you ask, a lot of this here has clips, but is also 3M tape all the way through. And you can see where I took a big chunk out of it. That just looks ugly. And then of course underneath we're gonna have some bolts, which I'm gonna show you shortly. So underneath you're gonna have bolts, well, T15 screws, I apologize, and then 7mm bolts. You may take those out depending on if you have the clips, but I'm gonna start here, and you can see every which one here. We're going to go ahead and unscrew and go from there. Now, after you have taken off all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 T15 bolts, you either will see 3M tape. This one actually did not have 3M tape, but you can see the tabs here, depending on what tabs you have here, and is it OEM versus Extreme Online Stores. This one is an OEM, and it has held up for a very long time, but you can see it's been on there since the lifetime of the car. We're gonna get this cleaned up, make sure we get all into it. You can see if it's not on there tight, it will chip paint, right? But that's where, again, Extreme Online Stores come into play. Crazy. Still hits insanely good. But let's go get the new one. I did go ahead and start to prep the surface. I'm gonna get it cleaned, get it degreased, and all I'm gonna use is, I call it degrease, just a little bit of soap and water. Don't wanna spray anything oily. Now, I've already taken it out of the box, and I hope the sun does this justice, but the carbon is spot on. They do not have the line or the weave going down. At the end of the day, I'm gonna go all Extreme Online Store carbon on this so it matches all the way around. But the weave pattern is excellent. This one does not have the lips, which is why they supply the 3M tape and the extra bolts. But you can see same length, same pattern. Same weight. Beautiful carbon. Again, where is it? It's on here. Extreme Online Stores. All right, so we had to take a quick break for this. So I'm very OCD. You can see my fingerprints already on it, but you can see where the white still shows from the black wrap, and I am just not okay with that. So I'm about to detach most of the bolts here, re-prep, and put some of the satin black there, and that way there's no white showing. But this looks crazy in the sun. Let's get to it. Now we have no more white spots. You can see my fingerprints on it, but underneath, all the same screws could be used. And depending on which ones you have, you may have to take these bolts out for clips that insert to the actual bumper. So it is fully on. But we're gonna add one more piece that Extreme Online Stores gave us, and that is some fender well carbon. And you can see they match in the weave. This is very heavy compared to the lip. Very well done. Looks good. So to add to it, these go right in here along with that groove, and you can see where they connect and add a little bit more to the car. And all you have to do to install these are 3 T15, got to turn the wheel, 3 T15 sockets here, 2 and 3 to match up there. Then once you have aligned all 3 screws, you can see it does add a little bit more look to the car. Now we come over to the other side. You can see we've gotten all 3 screws out. Gonna go 1, 2, and 3. And again, it'll line up in the groove just like that. And now it is all on. Again, EOS, Extreme Online Stores. Simple install. We did have a little intermission to get rid of the white. Simple modification that makes the car look good. And again, the carbon fiber weave matches the OEM weave. Again, this is OEM. This has been on the car since 2016. So I'm gonna have Extreme Online Store send me the side skirts and the rear valence. You can see this is the one piece that I am missing. Some carbon fiber packages actually don't come with this, but you can see I have the carbon fiber wing. So Extreme Online Stores, when you're watching this, this is next. That's gonna set my car off, make it look extremely crazy. But overall, great quality product.